Money Man Dilla. Shit. Freestyle. That's off the top of the head. No beat. Just go acapella. You know? Trying to get it. Trying to get it. Trying to get it. Shit. I'm trying to get famous. Shit. And if that don't work, well, shit. Well, then, oh, fucking well. At least a nigga tried. Shit. Go look my nigga Zone up, man. Young Zone. That nigga cold. That's my nigga, bruh. I salute you, my nigga. You know we out here trying to get it. You trying to get it and I'm trying to get it. So but we both trying to out here get it, fool. Two of us trying to get it. Shit. Go look my nigga up. He cold as a motherfucker. Little bitch nigga. Running around with tool. Shit, but I ain't got no tool. Shit. I use my hands, bro. But one day, I'ma get her to that fucking K. And when I get it, it's gonna be over for you pussy niggas. I'ma spray all you pussy ass niggas, bruh. I'm just playing. Fuck it. I fucked you, bitch. That bitch was dumb, ratchet ass, stupid ass bitch that wanted some dick in her mouth, so I bust on her motherfucking face. Shit, matter of fact, shit, I bust on her motherfucking lip. She run and come back and give your dumb ass a silly kiss with the nut on her lip. Ew, that's nasty, bruh. Shit, I don't give a fuck, nigga. She want my bitch, not my main bitch. But that shit, I ain't got no main bitch. Cause bitches, they cause too many problems. You feel me? Shit. Don't feel me. Ain't got to smell me, nigga. Stay born loud. Stay doing shit. Bitch, run up in your crib with no motherfucking problem. Run up in your crib with no motherfucking problem. With that stitching out, bruh. Shit, I lay in niggas' bushes. I lay in your mama's bushes. So shit, when she come out, she gonna get this fucking headshot. Shit, don't feel me. Don't feel me. Don't feel me. Don't listen. Shit, I don't give no fuck. You ain't got to listen. Shit, nigga. Shit, fuck it. Shit, I'm out here trying to get it. 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 I'm out here trying to get it for my nigga Rondo. Shit, this is what we doing for. And don't forget my baby Don Drake. Fuck, boy. That's what the fuck we doing it for. So shit, we out here trying to get it. So shit, and now I'm fine trying to get it. And if I can't get it, I don't know. Shit, but I know that I'm finna go hit this lick on your mama. Shit, finna take everything about that bitch house, nigga. Shit, cause I'm trying to get it. I'm hungry, nigga. I'm trying to eat, so I'ma get it any way that means necessary. I'ma get it. Shh. If I gotta break in your mama house, I gotta break in your daddy house, gotta break in your sister house, and I gotta hit the play on your bitch, I don't give no fuck. I'ma do it. Cause nigga, I'm trying to get it. I'm trying to get it, nigga. And if you ain't trying to get it, well shit, well then I don't know what to tell you, bro. No gangbanger, never was a gangbanger, but I know the niggas that gangbang that probably get on your ass, fool. Tie you up and fuck you up, pick that yellow duct tape and run your house, cause we don't give a fuck. Not at all. Never did. At all. Nigga. Got them K's out. Psst, that wasn't nothing. Got the 4 stendos out. Psst, that wasn't nothing. Shh. Shh. I'm ready to go to war with any nigga that want to go to war. But shit, I don't want to go to war. I'm just trying to get it. Trying to get it. And trying to get famous. Shit. That's what I'm trying to do. Trying to get it. I'm just trying to get it, nigga. Shh. That's a little freestyle. That wasn't nothing. Wasn't nothing at all. Anyway, man. R.I.P. Rondo, R.I.P. Don J, man. Go look at my nigga Young Zone, man. Young Zone, that nigga is cold, fool. Go look at my nigga, that nigga is cold. Young Zone. Y-U-N-G, nigga. Zone. Z-O-N-E. 100, nigga. 1000, nigga. Go look my nigga up, man. Young Zone, man. I'm telling you, that nigga is the future, bro. He's cold. Go look my nigga up, man. Young Zone. Nigga, Young Zone. Nigga, Y-U-N-G. Nigga, Zone. Nigga, Z. Nigga, O-N-E. 1000. Nigga, go look my nigga up, man. Young Zone.